Okay. RC Committee Organization, Drill number 1. Papalapit na tayo sa exciting part, class. This is probably our last na topic kasi tatlong area po to, tatlong level po tong PRC natin, no? So, and after this, the okay, the final coaching na, no? Anyway, final coaching, I think I've already told you, especially if you build my materials, nandun na yung lahat doon talaga. No? May mga i-reveal ako na yung mga importante, mga mahalaga doon. More about motivational techniques na. No? Kasi ako, technique kasi sa pagbasa, pag-analyze dito more about. Okay, number 1, all are exempt the techniques in CO. I believe mga techniques, alam nyo na yan. No? So, hindi po kasali sa techniques yung documentation. Sorry, no? Yung sumisimot ako for my cough, but then hopefully you understand. So, kasi ang documentation po kasi, kung titignan niyo yung libro, ito siya, the Orange Book, doon po siya nakasali sa more about tools, no? Hindi po siya sa techniques. Okay? So, ganun po yun. Number 2, generally, most volunteers are expected to follow certain requirements, except one. Ano yung except one? Of course, pag mga except one na class, hanapin nyo lang yung mga mostly mga negative connotations na parang hindi man ito ginagawa or parang redundant na itong gawin or parang hindi na ito pwedeng gawin. Receive payments. Alangan ba naman, hindi po tayo nagpababayad ng payments. Okay? So, ganun po yan. No? We are not receiving payments. Kasi pag nag-receive ka ng payments, hindi ka na po social worker pag ganyan. Lumalabas din sa exam, na pagsabihan naman lang tayo, you're receiving something, merong tanong yan, no? Dahil sa na medyo gumaan yung loob ng clients mo sa'yo and after termination, binigyan ka nila ng pera o ng regalo, ano yung gagawin mo? Are you going to receive that? Hindi. And yung tamang sagot doon, huwag mong i-receive. No? Are you sure? Lag lang po yan, ma'am. Pag hindi nag-move, kasi nag-move naman po. Okay, so we are not receiving. All except one are causes of poverty o infidelity. So, yung infidel, yun yung ibig sabihin na parang hindi ka loyal, di ba? Infidel ka sa wife mo, sa karelasyon mo. Hindi po yan ganun. Yung mga tao na po na hindi loyal, mayaman. So, itong ignorance, related dito yung walang pinag-aralan. Unemployment, of course, walang trabaho. And social justice, itong letter B and C, bilong po ito sa sinabi ni Mendoza na personal inadequacy. Problema sa personal mo. Hindi ka pinag-aralan, wala kang trabaho. But usually, itong unemployment and social justice din, pwede rin siya masali sa situational inadequacy. Pwedeng wala lang talagang opportunity sa labas, kaya wala kang trabaho. Pero yung infidelity po, hindi po yan kasali. Ang kasali po, meron po 4 o 5 lang yata na causes of poverty. I remember meron kaming class sa community development namin 100. Kasi kami na social work major, meron din kaming CD na subject. I think kasali yung apathy at saka culture. Yan yung sa mga causes ng apathy, yan yung sumusuko ka na sa buhay. Social workers work with squatters, stepchildren, child prostitutes, speaking for and acting in their behalf. She is playing the role. So, speaking for and acting in behalf. Advocate ka na niyan pag ganun. No? Nagiging advocate ka na pag ganun. Acting broker. Kinokonekta mo lang sa kanila yung service jungle. Change agent to ha. Enabler. Change agent, nagdala ka ng pagbabago. Enabler, in-enable mo sila from mahiyain, nahihiya, hindi marunong mag-inquire ng services, in-enable mo sila. People's participation is recognized as basic principle of action and overall development strategy. As such, it derives its rationale from the following except one. No? Ano yung negative? The people's participation, no? Tignan mo lang yung nakaka-divide. Di ba pag participation, nag-unite kayo. Itong people's vested interest, you are not working kasi may mga interest silang individual sa buhay. So hindi po yan nakaka-encourage ng participation kung meron kang vested interest. The unionization of laws and equitable distribution of national wealth, income, also social justice. Capability building is a strategy in people's empowerment. Leadership requirement for training include except one. So political structure. Okay, kasi ang punto lang po talaga dito, nagkakameron ng capacity building through leadership. Ano yung hindi nakakatulong? Political structure. Kung sino yung mga leader-leader. Concept of leadership is, of course, we need it. Class, ito class o. Hindi porket merong leadership, politika na kaagad yan. Hindi porket meron tayong siniset na leader, we are already in the politics. We can lead anything, any organization without being political. Philippines 2000, the present administration is the following simple. Hindi ko sa political application. I think yung Philippines 2000 para sa panahon ni Sikian Ramos. No? Pili Ramos. Pili Ramos. So, it's a strategy, no? Vision for the development of the nation, no? At achieving socio-economic program. Vision din siya, movement din siya, pero hindi siya political affiliation. Wala naman po ito, tignan nyo to, the following except one, yung except one, doon siya sa gitna. Hindi siya dyan sa dulo. Sometimes, nakuha na dito, naduduling. No? Kasi, actually, yung except one, sometimes diba sa dulo lang siya, so careful kayo. Our values of conducting community assemblies. Opportunity to visit home. Hindi ka po nag-community assembly kasi gusto mo lang bumisita ng bahay. Okay? Ganun po yan, no? Ano, mamimista ka? When gathering information in barangay, key informants, the following except, ito naman, yung except, it's sometimes ito panggulo ng mga PRC. Hindi si Sir James, ha? Sir PRC kasi. Ito po yung panggulo ng Board of Examiners. Nilalagay yung except sa gitna. Kaya naguguluhan ka, no? Are considered eligible with fair judgment, no? So, client po. Bakit, sir? Di ba, sir? Sabi pa nga sa libro ni Mendoza, yung pinaka-key informant na kukunan natin ng information ay yung client. Take note po, key informants po yung sinasabi dito. Ay, ibig sabihin ng key informants ay yung CO kasi, those are people na malaki yung influensya. Except, or school teacher, malaki influensya mo dyan, no? Barangay captain, religious leader. Hindi kasali yung client sa key informants. Pag key informants kasi, ito yung parang susi para mabuksan lahat na opportunities, especially in gathering information. Yung client, isa lang po yan. Ang pagkalagay pa ng client dito ay singular. Community organization is a continuous and sustained process of the following except one. Hanapin pa ninyo negative. In this part, nahuli na naman yung except one, so madali lang hanapin kasi sa hulihan. Sometimes nakakaduling po siya pag sa gitna po siya nilagay ng mga Board of Examiner. Contribution to work exchange among group. Hindi po to class work exchange. Kasi oftentimes talaga, yes, you mobilize, you educate, you organize, but then sometimes meron pa tayong action sa social work na walang kapalit. Alam mo yung tipong Alam mo yung tipong gumagawa ka ng isang action, 11 na tayo. Lag signal lang po yan, ma'am. Signal lang po. So, ganun po yan, no? Oftentimes, we are working pero walang exchange na nakukuha. That's social work. Social work pa mo diha. Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Yan kaya yung passion ko, sir, tumulong. Di ba? Ganun po yan, no? People empowerment includes the following except one. Concentrate power in an elitist group. Parang meron kang pinitipo ang group, ay sila yung pupusan ko kasi oftentimes may mga nangyayaring ganong bias, especially pag yung ibang tao ay matigas yung ulo. Ay, dito na ako mag-focus sa kuwan, ay mga magagaling, mga participative. Sa iba, iwan na yan sila. Ganun yan, bawal yan. When you motivate people to be aware of the problem and to do something about it, you had achieved, ano kaya? Task goal. And yung highlight ko dyan is to do something. When you are having a task, you are doing something or to do something. Tama ba? Ganun po yan. Developmental goal, that's about having in mind the developmental aspect. Paano kaya mag-develop yung client? Relationship goal, yan yung sa mga may mga awayan, no? Pinapalalim mo yung relationship na process goals. Malaman nila kung saan process na sila at saan yung dapat na mga actions na gagawin mo based on the process. A unit composed of, okay, organization po to, meaning lang to. Plan, about yan sa framework, sometimes yung keyword plano ay blueprint. System, all parts of system interrelated, interconnected. Structure po siyang skeleton, no? Para siyang foundation ng isang institution, organization. In handling group discussion, CEO workers use question except talk down to the group. Yes, nakaka-stimulate yan, nakaka-steer yan ng interest. Provoke thinking. Yan pala, sir. Tama, sir, no? Open and closed discussion, yes. Totoo po. Talk down. Ibig sabihin ng talk down, parang minamaliit mo sila. Hindi po ganyan yung group discussion. Okay? So, all except one are motivation strategies to generate community awareness. So, yung target po dyan, community awareness. Dapat alam niyo yung pinag-uusapan talaga sa... Ito nga yung sabi ni Carly Balita. So, segue ko na si Dr. Carly Balita because Carly Balita is one of my, let's say, model in terms of reviewing students para talaga matutunan. No? I also encourage sa educational attainment ni Dr. Carly Balita. Ito yung sabi niya, mostly daw sa mga reviewer, kasi parang sinurbin niya yung mga CBRC. Mostly daw sa kanila, hindi alam kung ano yung subject-verb agreement. Saan yung object, ano ba talaga pinag-usapan. Delikado yan kasi hindi mo malaman yung pinag-usapan, no? Hindi mo masasagutan. So, demonstration, of course, nakaka-raise ng awareness. Meron kang dinidemonstrate sa kanila na community. Ito yung ginawa nila. Ito yung gawin natin. Kinopya mo. So, nakopya mo. Pumunta kayo ng community na maganda yung CO practice. Slide presentation po. Maganda yan. Creative media, walang magagawa yan. Tool lang yan. Okay? So, 17. Practical needs of women relate more to short-term process. These include the following except one. Okay? So, practical needs of women relate more to short process. So, more participation decision making. Okay, relate more to short-term process. Well, ito kasi nga parte oh, short-term process lang yung pinag-usapan. Yes, maganda yung more participation ng women. Kaso lang yung pinag-usapan kasi dito, short-term lang. No? Yun kasing more participation, pang long-term na yan. Okay? So dito talaga, pinakapunto talaga dito class, the time duration. So it's all about needs, but yung pinakapunto talaga nito, yung short term, except. Ganun ba, no? Ganun mo sinamarize yung question. Short term, except. So short term, no? Health education, increase income, ano ba? In an instant, kayang ibigay yan. No? Pero itong more participation, it needs time. Ang daming time na makukuha mo dyan. This activity is important in attaining community involvement and participation. Of course. Napansin mo na yon na in-invite mo yung isang tao na hindi mo close, hindi yan pupunta. A person who don't have a relationship, do not participate and do not involve. When we say rapport, that's relationship. All except one are purposes of CO. Ano yung hindi? Implement group project. No, hindi lang po nakaka-implement ng group project yan. Okay? So achieve selected social goals, build capacity. Implement group project. Hindi lang po yan yung pinaka-main na target ng CEO. Ng group project. Hindi po ganyan, no? Activities lang po yung paggawa ng group project. 20. The process of assessing the progress that worker na client as a worker partnership is known. Evaluation. May progress ba? Ay nako, internet no, hindi makisama. So number 20 natin ay evaluation. It talks about progress, no, kung na-achieve ba. Ibig sabihin kung nagawa ba, may nagawa ba yung implement. Sorry, na-mute. Noong 1971, Philippine Ecumenical Council for Community Organization, kang Alinsky po to. Noong 1971 po to ginawa. Okay? Sorry for my signal class, no? Sir James yun rin na nagsasuffer. Social work believes that individual, group, or community is distinct